I often get asked how to replace the pull starter on your lawnmower. So for this lawnmower, I'll release the pull cord, and what we need to do is to remove these 3 nuts here around the outside of the pull starter. So I've got a little 10mm nut driver, and I'll just undo the 3 nuts, taking care not to drop them while I'm doing it. So that's 1, 2, the last one, 3. So that's the 3 removed, and I can simply lift the pull starter away. And to replace with a new pull starter, it will go on in any one of 3 orientations, but because the pigtail is up this handle, we know that the pull starter has to go on this way. Simply drop it back into position, replace the 3 nuts, just get them started with my fingers. There we go. And again, using my little nut driver, tighten them back fully down. There we are. And I'll just reconnect the pull starter back into the pigtail up the top here. And that's the pull starter replaced.